Oh, and we got a Facebook, $263.42. Wow. Have you ever wondered if the free stocks you receive from Webull from opening up an account are any good? Well, in this video, we're going to be opening up 287 free stocks, and we're going to see if any of them are worth any good money. So let's get started. This video is going to be broken up into three main parts, and it's also going to be timestamped throughout the video. So if you want to jump to certain sections of the video, feel free to do so. The first section of the video, we're going to look at the chances or the probability of receiving certain stocks and their values. So we're going to look at what's the probability of receiving, say, an $8 stock, a $250, or even a $1,000 stock. The second part of the video is going to be us actually opening up all 287 free stocks that we received. We're going to take a look at, are these well-known companies, and also what's the value of these free stocks that we're receiving. The third and final part of this video is kind of going to be like a Q&A, because I know I'm going to get a bunch of questions on such as, can I actually sell these stocks? How long do I have to wait to sell these stocks? And can I actually just sell them right away to buy other stocks or deposit into my checking account? So we're going to answer all that and more in this video. So what's the probability of receiving a free stock from Webull being valued at $2.50 on the low end all the way up to the high end of $1,600? Well, it depends. There's two different main categories for the free stocks that you receive. The first main category, it comes from when you just create a Webull account and you don't deposit any money. That free stock could be valued at $2.50 all the way up to $250. If you want, you can pause the screen right now to see your probability and your chances of receiving what kind of stock when you just open up an account and you don't deposit any money. The second category of free stocks you receive is when you deposit at least $100 or more into your Webull account when you're first setting it up. So these stocks could be valued anywhere from $8 all the way up to $1,600. So you can see that depositing at least $100 increases the chances that you're going to get a lot better stock than just opening up an account. And if you want, you can pause the screen right now to see what your chances are of receiving what kind of stock after you deposit at least $100. So even though your chances are pretty slim in receiving that $1,600 stock, I still hear a lot of stories from my subscribers reaching out to me saying that after they used my link and deposited $100, they received a Facebook stock, say worth $260. And even New York Times, which was worth about 50 or 60 bucks at the time. So you could actually really get some awesome free stocks that are valued at pretty good prices. Now let's finally start opening up all 287 other free stocks to see exactly what kind of free stocks that we got. I also want to say a huge thanks to you guys as the subscribers for using my referral link. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm really appreciative of it. And I just want to let you guys know that all of the free stocks that I receive and any kind of bonus that I get for any of my referral links and any of the videos, I take all of those proceeds and put them back into YouTube just so I could create better content for you guys. So just keep that in mind when you're using the referral links. But anyways, let's finally start opening up these free stocks to see exactly what we received. So you can see here that I already received 19 free stocks, but that was from just literally signing up. Webull has always a bunch of sign up promotions happening. I think that there was several deposit bonus, but like I said, Webull has promotions happening on all the time, so it's super easy to get a lot of free stocks. And these different time captures are going to be all through all different days. The first one we have right here is X1. It's worth $33.83. All right, now we're just going to keep on opening them. Still X1, X1, X1 again, X1, and X1. And you can see the prices are changing, and that's just because as the stocks is getting traded with it going up and down in value, whenever you claim your stock, that's what it's going to tell you the price is worth. So now we're going to go on to the second day of free stocks, and I have 8 of them right here. So the first one is X1, X1. You can also see the different price change. X1. All right, X1, X1. Oh, Intel. So this one's, yeah, definitely different and a lot better stock than X1. X1 I never actually even heard of. Intel, great company. And this one's worth almost $60 and another X1. All right, now this is like the third day of receiving stocks. We have 20 to open right here. We can see if any of them are worth anything good. Another X1, 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 X1. Like I say, guys, this is super exciting, and once again, thank you for using my referral link. And like I said, I like to use all these proceeds from these free stocks into creating better videos and more content for you guys. So tell me down below what kind of future videos you guys want to see. I am planning on buying several courses such as like drop shipping and also a Meet Kevin course that I'm going to plan on doing a review. But I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. But a lot more X1 stock. X1. Network Air. Oh, I don't know if it didn't count that stock. X1. X1. Hopefully I got that one. X1. And of course, another X1. No surprise there. So the next day, we only had 4 free stocks, but like I said, super thankful to get any free stocks from you guys. I literally didn't think I would get more than 2, so super grateful. X1, are we gonna get all X1s? Yes, all X1s. All right, the next day we have 13 free stocks to open. Oh, and we're starting with the New York Times for $51. So it's definitely a little switch up from X1. Would have been another X1 just like that one. X1, X1. 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 I feel like you guys are starting to look at the new CEO of X1. Alright, another X1, 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 no surprise there. X1 and X1, alright. So as of right now, we have 77 stocks, and for the most part, a lot of them seem like they're X1. A couple sprinkled in with New York Times. And then also we did receive that one Intel one. But we're going to keep on going and opening up more stocks. Alright, so the next day we had 3 stocks to open. Let me bet you guys if it's going to be an X1 stock. So we got it right there, X1. We're going to go 3 for 3 for X1 and X1. And you can see the value has really jumped up. Now it's $38 a stock. Now we have 18 stocks open. Already have 80 stocks opened at this point. Another X1, and it's significantly jumped up in price and value. It's almost $44 a stock now. More X1, 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 X1. I feel like I'm gonna be saying that quite a bit this video. X1, 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 X1. Tell me down below, what do you think the next stock's gonna be? If you guessed X1, you would have been right. X1. X1, and it's crazy, as I'm opening up more of these stocks, it's being valued even more. So it was already at $43.94, now that it's $44.63. So this seems like a crazy stock that is just fluctuating in value that much. X1. Alright, we have 2 more for the day. X1. Alright, and another X1, of course. Now we're moving on to the next day. We have 8 free stocks to open up. Oh, first one, Ken. So this is definitely then X1. I wonder if it's going to stop giving me X1 and replace it with Ken, which kind of looks to be the case right here. We're going to keep on opening up. Ken. 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 We got 2 left. Ken. Ken. Alright, now we're going to go on to the next day. We have 12 free stocks to open up. See if it's going to be more Ken or X1. Ken. So I wonder if X1 got a little bit too pricey and it's gone up too much in value, that Webull is now giving away a different free stock instead of X1, which kind of seems to be the case because it looks like it's trying to stick around $30 a stock. So yeah, it looks to be Ken. More Ken. I wonder if I'm going to be saying Ken a lot throughout this whole video. Ken. Let's see if anyone can track the amount of times I say Ken in this video. Leave a comment down below what your guess is. Alright, we got more Ken. 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 And Ken. Alright, now we're moving on to the next day, and we have 13 free stocks open up, and of course, we're starting with another Ken stock. You gotta love to see that. More Ken. 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 You think all the free stocks today are gonna be Ken? Ken. Kinda looks like it so far. Ken. 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 Are we gonna go? Yes, we did all of them for Ken. The next day we have 21 free stocks to open up. I wonder if here we're gonna go 21 for 21 with Ken. Let's see. Ken. 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 I feel like with all the free stocks I got with X1, it could have been the C. Oh, we got Oracle right here. $62.46 for Oracle. Great company. So that's almost 2 Kens right there for that one Oracle stock. Like I was saying, I feel like for X1 we were maybe considered, you could be the CEO with all the free stocks we got for X1, but I think Ken's going to take the book on the amount of free stocks for the same company that we get. Ken. And one more Ken. All right, we're gonna move on to the next day. Let's see what we get right here. We have 17 stocks left for this day. We're gonna open them up and see what we get. Starting off the day strong with another Ken stock. Ken. I gotta say, for me, it doesn't get boring seeing Ken pop up every second because that's $30 every time. But I don't know, for you guys, if this is getting kind of boring just because it's so repetitive. But you can see here the likelihood of receiving, a $60 stock it doesn't really seem that high, to be honest. But we're gonna see if we get any surprises. Maybe we get a $1,600 stock later on in the video. We still have quite a bit of stocks to open up. This day we have 8 stocks that we opened up. Starting off strong once again with Ken stock. Ken. Is the last one going to be Ken? Yep, and it's Ken. Right now, the next day we have 8 stocks to open up. We have Ken. And we go 9 for 9 for Ken. Let me guess. Ken, yes. All right, moving on to the next day, we have another 9 stocks to open up, and we're gonna start with the Ken. No, we're starting with the New York Times, $50.32. Ken, back to our Ken. The rest gonna be Ken. And let me guess, a Ken. There we go. We're gonna move on to the next day, and today we had 11 stocks to open up. Starting off strong once again with a Ken stock valued at $30.24. Another Ken. And a Ken. All right, this day we had 5 stocks to open up. We're starting off with a Ken stock. Ken. And a Ken. All right, the next day we had 14 stocks to open up, and we're starting off with a Ken. I feel like it's always a good day when you're opening up stocks. Ken. And Ken, of course. 3 that we're opening up today, and it's gonna be a Ken. Let's see, Ken. Oh, and we got a Facebook, $263.42. Wow, that's awesome. All right, the very next day we have 17 stocks to open up, and guys, we had a Facebook stock, so hopefully we can keep that train going, get a few more Facebook stocks. I would not mind at all. Starting off the day strong with a couple of Ken stocks. We'll keep on going. Ken. Oh, New York Times, $52.44. That's exciting. Ken. Seems like the Ken stock has been going down in price. It used to be over $30, $31. Now it's hovering at 29.5 basically. Ken. And lastly, Ken. All right, at this point we have 245 stocks, and we have 9 stocks left to open today. We have a Ken. Ooh, New York Times, $53.81. Ken. Procter & Gamble, wow, $127.81. That's awesome. That's super exciting. What? That's basically, I'm talking 4 Kens. and a Ken. Alright, for this day we had 8 stocks to open up. Let's see if we go 8 to 8 with Kens, or we get something cool like another Procter & Gamble, or even a Facebook. I would not mind that at all. Ken. My voice is losing from saying Ken. Alright, Ken. This one had 3 stocks opened up. So as of now, we have 265 stocks. We started off, I believe, with 19 of them. We're already, we got another New York Times right there. Ken. Alright, the next day we had 11 stocks open up at 271 before this day started. Let's see if we go 11-11 with Ken stocks that we receive. Ken. And Ken. Alright, this day we only had 4 stocks to open up, but also, like I said, super appreciative of any free stock that I mentioned in this video. See if we go 4 for 4 with Kens. And yes, it does look like it. Alright, this day we had 11 free stocks to open up. We're starting off the day strong with yet again another Ken. Keep on going. Ken. And a Ken. Oh, so this one looks a little bit different. CGC. Oh, this is completely different. We're all out of Kens. I'm surprised. I thought they were going to keep the Ken stock going. Alright, this day we had 9 stocks to open up. So it looks like Ken might be over with. I'm sure you guys were getting sick of me keep saying Ken, but yeah, CGC, which yeah, $33.33. Oracle, $66.55. Okay. CGC, another one. It's kind of like a tongue twister. So that wraps us up, opening up almost 300 free stocks from Webull. As you guys saw in the video, a lot of them tend to be around that $30 stock, and depending on what day or week you opened up your free stock and claimed it, kind of depend on what $30 free stock that you got. But of course, we got some other great stocks in there, such as New York Times, Oracle, Procter & Gamble, and also that huge Facebook stock that we got that was valued at $260. Now I know I'm going to get a bunch of questions on this video, and especially on what you can do with the free stocks you received. So you can tell as with the screen recording right here, here's some of the free stocks that I've already received and are actually in my account. So as I'm showing right here, you could actually sell these stocks whenever you want. Once they're in your account, they're actually 100% yours. You can do whatever you want with them. So if that means selling the stock right away when you receive it and depositing that money into your checking account, you could do that. You could also sell that stock and take those proceeds to buy another stock. Feel free to do that. And lastly, of course, if you want, you can just keep the stock in your account. I do this with several of the stocks. If I know it's a well-known company that I know it's gonna be around for a long time, such as a Chevron, Oracle, New York Times, I personally know these are good businesses and I wouldn't mind holding their stocks, so I just keep it in my account. Well, that wraps up the video of opening almost 300 free stocks from Webull. Tell me down below in the comments if you guys received any free stocks from Webull, and if you did, what were those companies and what were the stocks valued at? If you guys are interested in signing up for Webull for yourself, make sure to check out the link that I have down below. Like I said, any of the referral links that I have, I just take that money and the proceeds to create more and better content here on YouTube for you guys as a viewer. If you're interested in signing up for Webull, I do have a video that walks you through step by step on how to sign up. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes to do so. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.